Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Wednesday, June 15th, 2016, and we are at 3914 Northeast Laurelhurst Place in Portland, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. And as you can see, we are inside of the home. We're actually down in the basement, and those are the stairs that lead up to the main floor. Just behind those, to the right of our laundry sink or utility sink, is a clean out. It's a 3-inch cast iron line. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in there and see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. Here we are. We're going to zero out our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen, and we'll begin our push all the way out to the city main. Before we go too far, we're going to stop here at about 4 feet just to make note that we are transitioning to an ABS line. That's a plastic line, modern plastic line. And there is an external clean out, which is what we're seeing at the bottom of our screen. That would be a clean out, probably visible from the surface of the ground outside the home on the, let's see, that would be the east side of the home. So we'll go ahead and continue on. A couple of other notes about the inspection. This home was built in 1921, and we are in a neighborhood of homes that were built around that era, so an older neighborhood of Portland. And that tells me that even though we're inside of a modern plastic right now, when we get out to the street, we may end up seeing some older material, maybe some terracotta. Standing water here at the base of this turn. Another thing I like to mention during the inspection is the flowing water that's on the right hand side of the screen at the moment. I have a fixture turned on upstairs. It's the bathtub, and that's so that we can have some water during our inspection. That gives us a visual indicator as to how the pipe is flowing. A little bit of standing water here at just about 60 feet. And more than likely a test T on the left-hand side of the screen, which is the top of the pipe. Test tees are installed by the contractor so that the city can approve the line for inspection, or inspect the line and approve it for service. Taking a little bit of a dive down, and here it, call this 83 feet. We do make a transition to some older material. This is terracotta. And the very first joint in terracotta, we do see some very minor root intrusion. That's at 84 feet. A little bit more here. And here again. Terracotta typically in 2 or 3 foot sections. A steep dive down. And looks like, oh gosh, I guess we'll keep that at 99 feet. What we're looking at right there is the city main. Let's see if I can just push forward just a little bit. There we go. That is the city main, probably close to 100 years old, made out of terracotta in the street of Portland. And other than very minor root intrusion in the terracotta line, this line looks great. I'm not going to recommend any further action, as it would appear this sewer line is functioning very well. Thank you.